Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And as you guys know that DJI MINI 3 is one of the interesting drones in the segment that we are talking about. And most of you guys know that DJI MINI 3 in India has the height limit of 120 meters. So in this video, I'll be telling you an easy trick how you can bypass the 120 meters limit on DJI MINI 3 in India. So without wasting much of the time, let's quickly get into the video guys.
So guys, firstly we would require a Dronehacks license. So here we need to visit a Dronehacks official website and click on buy license. Then you need to click on DJI, and here you have to select the drone model, that is DJI MINI 3 Pro, and whatever the firmware that your drone is installed on, you need to select the firmware. I would suggest you to go with the latest firmware, and then you can click on buy regular license. Once you click on buy regular license, you will be directed to the shop cart where the estimated cost will be shown, that is 40 euros in the sense it will come around 3500 Indian rupees. So here you also can get a 10% of discount by using the coupon code SHIVKUMAR_SD10. So if you use this coupon code, as you can see on the screen, you will get a 10% of discount, that will be minus 4 euros. So the estimated cost that you will be paying after discount is only 36 euros. So make sure you're using this benefit of 10%. After getting this discount, you click on proceed to checkout. Here you need to enter the first name, last name, email address and the password. Make sure you're entering the correct email address and the password, because you will be using the same email address and the password for the future logging in to the Dronehacks website or the application. Once you're done entering all the details, click on continue. Here you will be directed to the payment page where you can select the Google Pay, credit card or the Apple Pay. But for the Indians, the only payment method that works is the credit card or the international debit card. You cannot pay the payment through Google Pay or some other medium. You can only choose the credit card or the international debit card. So here I already have the license, and now for the hack we would require a normal RC. So in this video I'll not be doing the hack process with the smart RC. If you guys want a detailed video on how to hack on the smart RC, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely make a video on that as well. So in this video I'll be showing you that with this normal RC. So here in the normal RC you can see that I have opened my DJI flap. In the max altitude is 120 meters. So here it is already stuck to 120 meters and we cannot change it to 500 meters or anything. So now to bypass this 120 meters, we would require a DH companion application. For that you need to open your web browser, search for Dronehacks, and the first link which you get, you click on that, and here you need to click on the download. Once you click on the download, you will get an option to select DJI and Hotel. You need to select the DJI, and here you see the options to download the Dronehacks desktop software, but anyways we are not interested in that, so we will be downloading the Android application. So this hack only works with the Android, and this is a one-time hack. This is going to permanently remove your 120 meters and it is going to change your drone max altitude to 500 meters permanently. So till now we have purchased the Dronehacks license, and I hope you guys remember the email address and the password. And then we have downloaded the DH companion application on our Android phone, and now we need to open the DJI Fly app. And here in the settings you can see that our max altitude is set to 120 meters, and that is not changeable, like it is fixed for 120 meters in India, and few other countries also have this restriction. So now we will switch to DH companion. So guys, make sure you're not closing the DJI flap. You just need to switch from DJI flap to DH companion. Once you open the DH companion, you would require an internet connection on your phone, and then you will be directed to this page. Here you need to enter the email address and the password which you had entered while purchasing the Dronehacks license. So once you are auto logged in, then you will get a 2 buttons of 500 meters height and enable FCC. You need to click on them one by one. So firstly I am clicking 500 meters, then I am clicking on enable FCC. After that you need to switch back from DH companion to DJI flap. So while doing this, you need to unplug your cable and plug the cable back. The same goes to DH companion. When you're opening DH companion, you need to unplug your cable and plug in. The same thing, whenever you are switching between two applications, you need to unplug your cable and plug in. You'll get a pop-up message, you need to select, and once your app detects your phone or the RC, then you can process this hack. Now here in the max altitude, you can see that the max altitude has changed from 120 meters to 500 meters. That means our hack is working fine. So guys, now we will be flying our DJI Mini 3 Pro more than 120 meters and testing whether we are able to fly our drone more than 120 meters or not. So guys, till our drone exceeds 120 meters, in the comment section let me know whether DJI Mini 3 Pro is worth purchasing or upgrading from DJI Mini 2 or not. Here on the screen you can see that our height has exceeded 120 meters, so that means our hack is working totally fine and we can use this hack to fly our drone more than 120 meters. So let's try to hit 500 meters and see whether we can exceed 500 meters or we are hitting at the max of 500 meters. As you guys can see on the screen that we have reached our max altitude, that is 500 meters with our DJI Mini 3 Pro. So guys, you need to follow the steps exactly how I showed in the video. You guys cannot miss any of the steps. If you are missing the steps, then there is a possibility that the hack may not work. So you guys should make sure that you are following the steps, each and every step properly. And you can see on the screen that I have clicked on return to home, and even return to home is working fine. I have also tested various functions like quick shots, panorama mode, and all other features that are present on DJI Mini 3 Pro with this hack, and everything is working fine. You guys can use this hack without any worries. I personally feel that whatever amount you are spending on this hack is totally worth. Like if you are spending 36 euros on this hack, it's totally worth guys, because this hack is permanent. Now I will show you guys. I am closing my DJI flap, I am rebooting my RC as you can see on the screen. Now I will open my DJI flap. Here in the DJI flap you can see that my max altitude will be still set to 500 meters. In the DJI Mini 2 you were able to see that whenever we close our DJI flap and reopen it, the max altitude would use to reset to 15 meters, but here in this case the max altitude is still set to 500 meters. I have tried flying my drone various times, but still the max altitude was set to 500 meters. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and let me know in the comment section if you guys want the hack process on the Smart RC as well. So that's it for this video guys. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.